Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the CR 2032 and a small flathead or plastic pry tool. Start now. First, remove the emergency key by sliding the release. This exposes a notch. Once the key is out, insert the tool into the seam where the key sat and twist gently to separate halves. Do not force, feel for clips. If it resists, recheck the release latch and try again. Keeping steady pressure prevents broken plastic and makes the next steps predictable and easy. With the case open, look closely. Note battery orientation, plus side orientation matters. Use a plastic pry or the edge of the case to lift the old CR 2032 out slowly. Avoid metal tools that could short contacts. Once removed, inspect and clean contact surfaces if corroded. Use isopropyl on a cotton swab and let dry. Insert the new battery the same way the old one sat, making sure it sits flush and the contacts press firmly. Close the halves until clips click. After snapping the case closed and reinserting the emergency key, test the fob from 3 to 5 feet away. Press lock and unlock. Confirm LED or vehicle response. If it works, you're done. If it doesn't, open the case again and reseat the battery. Sometimes it's slightly off. Make sure contact surfaces are clean and free of corrosion. As a troubleshooting tip, if reseating fails, try a second new battery. Sometimes new cells can be defective, and swapping fixes it immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.